Welcome back to another video, guys. We're super excited because today is the day this thing gets bagged. If you guys want to see this bag, make sure to stick around because videos are going to be dropping. So subscribe, like, comment down below. Let us know what you guys think about this video, right guys? What we're planning to do here is get this thing bagged for the next car show, which is next weekend. So I don't think it's going to be too hard because we've done it twice already. So the third one should be the charm. You know, but we got Trevor in the motherfucking building. So we got the Raceland struts, coilovers. We got the air suspension, 3P. It's gonna go on the Subaru here. So we're gonna start off by mounting the tank, manifold, running the hoses and the wires today, and hopefully get to suspension and remove those things. It should not be that long, guys, so, you know, let's get it. You can see the great white shark is in here with no wheels on, which you guys will find out in another video. We got a lot of things going on this year, guys. Our team is putting in so much work. We got bangers coming, bro. Big surprises for everybody. We always get surprised every week because one member buys something huge, you know, and we're like, holy shit. Alright guys, let's get it. Let's start. Let's not waste more time. Let's get it, boys. How do you feel, Trevor? Give a little testimony before we start the bag setup.
I feel pretty happy.
Alright guys, as you can tell, the little screen shrank because I changed the settings on recording, but we got it. Alright, let's get it, boys. So we're going to figure out where we're going to place the seamless tank in the trunk. I don't know.
Or under the engine bay.
Under the engine bay?
No, I'm just kidding. Do it. It's like a big CO2 tank. Gotta be careful.
So this is Trevor's wood right here. Wood floor he did right here.
This is Trevor's wood.
He's sick. Sick. So I don't know if we're gonna mount it on the top or on the bottom, you know? But it's gonna be mounted today.
Should we mount it on the top?
Whatever you want, baby girl.
I feel like it would be.
You want to be on top?
Yeah, I'll be on top. You can be on bottom.
Ow. What happened, buddy?
Fucking hit myself.
Why are you so red?
Cause I'm like on my back, bro.
So we're thinking, guys, we're gonna mount it up here. So we're just gonna send it. Okay. What about a drill?
I don't even think I'm gonna be able to go like this.
Look at this guy's form. This is not OSHA approved. He got an eye.
Oh, that was hot.
It's hot?
Oh, that was hot. Ooh, a big old piece of metal went in my ear. It was just straight cooking in my ear, dude. Oh,
you got for your ear piercing?
Yeah, that was hot.
Look at the body form on Trevor.
Freaking back, bro.
we got the holes drilled in there. Now we're gonna put the nuts in there. Let's get it. Alright, boys. We removed the seats on the back here just to give us entrance to the back dash right here. Gut it out. We end up removing the middle passenger brake seatbelt. I mean, brake. Seatbelt. But yeah. Alright, guys. We just got the air tank inside. It looks freaking legit.
It looks great. It looks amazing.
I'll show them. Look at that, boys. Yeah. Look at that. Seamless tank mounted on top. Look at that, boys. Now it's time to mount the compressors. Make the holes. Tap in the teeth nuts. Bolt them down. And then, take this off the wood floor, run wires.
Yeah. That shouldn't be that hard.
Nah, I think that tank was the hardest part. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Good thing we took out
Sweating, boy.
I know. Good thing we took out the seats and everything. So just like when you run the wires and everything, it's already gutted.
For real.
So we already did everything, all the hard work.
Yeah. All right, boys. Let's get started. What's going on, Trevor?
We're about to scratch the holes for my Blair compressors. What we did is we aligned it so it can be perfectly straight and perfectly centered in the middle down the crack, so it matches up with the tank and so it doesn't look all goofy.
I know. So this is where we decided to put it. In the future, we're gonna replace our airlines with hardlines. So this is just for now, temporary.
Yes.
But so far, we're satisfied how we want it.
Shit, someone's barbecuing. This smells good.
Look at this guy. He's gonna feast. He smells blood.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Boys, we just got done drilling in the holes in here. You guys can see. Bam, bam. We got it done. If you guys didn't know, we're just freaking going at it, guys. We're
Dude, literally, we didn't even. Today we were supposed to just do like the struts and stuff, but we're just going at it as we please.
Yeah.
Like we're just like, screw it. Let's do this.
We're not even not stressing over it. If it fits and it looks good, we're going for it.
Exactly.
Not here to waste time. We're in the time limit now.
Yep.
But yeah, guys, we got it done. Now it's time to remove the board pieces down there, remove the plywood, start running airlines and the management kit wires down to the front. But so far, it's going so good, guys. All right, boys, let's get it.
Let's get it.
All right, guys. Right now we're gonna run the manifold wire down to the front. You guys, right here. One of these is gonna go to the compressor.
So I pull this all the way to the front?
Yeah. This is gonna be to the manifold. So we're gonna run all these to the front. Just these ends here. All right, guys. So now we're gonna be running the air hoses down to see how much we're gonna need on each side. So we gotta run it where they're gonna run through, and then
Right there?
bring it towards over here.
Like that, huh?
Be the decision maker now.
You ready?
Let's go. All right, guys. What we're doing here, we're drilling a hole for the airline. We got the. Can't see, Trevor. We put it in. We have the rubber garment on there. This thing's nice and snugged. So we end up running it through this right here. And it goes under there. You see that? So it's pretty much ready to tear out.
Almost there.
Now we got to do the other side. And then run the wires to the battery. That'll be ready. Then we go back to the trunk. We're gonna be recording. This video is only gonna be for what we do today. So we'll be continuing the videos until we're done with this car. You know, so there'll probably be a part 2 or part 3. But right now, we pretty much we ran this thing so quick. All the wires and hoses are in. Now we're gonna slap on the strut backs on the front, at least for tonight, I mean. And then tomorrow, slap in the back and wire it up, manifold in. That's pretty much it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna probably air out.
I know, dude. We're gonna be there pretty
So
soon.
make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe so you won't miss that first air on this car, guys. I'm freaking hyped right now. That's why we're rushing. I just want to see it bagged, aired out, slammed, you know. Oh, but we still gotta cut some fenders.
Yeah.
That's the scary part right there, boys.
Forgot about that? That's like
Yeah,
the
I
main
did.
thing. We gotta cut this.
Damn. But let's get it, boys. At least the fronts today.
Right, bro. Like,
What do you think? We had to finish this video like this, bro.
I think we've done a lot for today. In 4 hours, right after work on a hard day, we've done a lot today, dude.
For
We
real.
installed the tank. We gutted the back seats. We tucked all the wires. We ran them up here. The wires for the battery. We drilled the hole through the firewall with the little garment. And so it doesn't get water through there. But yeah, we ran that. We did the other side. We already drilled the holes for the flares, for the wooden trunk. Dude, we've done a lot today. Like, I'm tired.
He's tired, boys. This, for you guys that didn't know, this is his first time installing airbags too.
Yep.
This is my third car working on airbags. This is gonna be my fourth one right here. So we do this in 3 days. We're gonna do this in 1 day.
Hell yeah, because that'll be your 4th time already doing it. Alright, let's do it.
Yeah.
I already know what to do.
Alright guys, so we're gonna have to end this video like this because we don't have the proper fitting to install the air strut that we needed under there.
Yeah, we're missing
To plug in the air hose in. So he's gonna end up trying to find one locally. If not, we're gonna have to order that online. But other than that, tomorrow all the air struts will be on. It'll probably be on stands, on jack stands. Struts will be in, mounted, ready to go. And basically be waiting for those fittings to come through. And have Flacco come in and wire this shit up, because that's our technician, our lift technician there. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, come back, because we ain't done yet. You know, this is gonna be a part 2. So stay tuned. I'll give you guys as much footage as we can. But like I said, this is not a how-to video. It's just us bagging this car. You know what I'm saying? So like that, boys. Stay safe, stay positive. Always come back for the bangers. His chick's calling already. Yep. So yeah, guys. Like that. We're out. Peace.